Okay, now he was good. I do the masticated. But you.
Please, 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 go click this original link right down there and watch this whole video of this street performer. And I don't know if it's a pigeon, I'm not sure what. My glasses ain't that good to where I can see through the video and get a close-up of this bird. However, oh my gosh, this freaking bird is, he's getting it. He's got his shoulders going, he's a little hopping, he's getting it. And number one, that's a badass song. So, kudos to the street performer telling me that God didn't himself send that bird to help that man make some money.